I'm Morgan.
I'm Harrison.
This is More Travel Please. We travel the world on as little money as possible. We're still in the Asheville area, and today this is a totally unplanned video. Harrison was just like, what am I even saying? I'm like, I don't know. We're just gonna wing it. We're at Waterfalls, one of the most gorgeous waterfalls that I could find on Google. So let's see how it really is. You know, the big reason we came to Asheville in North Carolina was to hike, see the foliage, be in the mountains, and see some freaking waterfalls. So that's what we're gonna do today. Now let's go. So Waterfalls is over 411 feet tall, and it's actually the highest waterfall east of the Rockies, although sometimes people dispute that. It's about an hour's drive from Asheville and just a short walk to 2 viewing areas, so it's perfect if you want to see some intense beauty without having to do a long hike. There's an honor system for parking where you'll be asked to contribute $3 per car. So Waterfalls was absolutely beautiful, and it wasn't really a hike. You kind of just walk right up there. It's more like a path to see the overlook. And there is a hike if you choose to do so, but actually we have moved on and we are in DuPont State Forest. We're gonna see some more waterfalls. There's a 3 waterfalls trail actually we're gonna take. So this video is a little different than usual because it's very much not planned out. Like I said in the beginning, we were driving here to our next destination, and I kept seeing really cute spots on the road, and I was like, if we were the most amazing vloggers, we would stop at all of them and get the footage, but that's not what we feel like doing right now. So I think we're just gonna do what we feel like, and hopefully you enjoy what we have to show you. But yeah, the reason I chose these 2 places, Whitewater Falls and now the 3 Waterfalls Trail in DuPont State Forest, is I'm looking for some of the most beautiful places in and around the Asheville area, which is just a couple hours drive out. And so these were 2 of the ones I found. Now our last video, if you watch that, we went to a couple more beautiful places. So these were like the next beautiful ones. So you have to watch that video if you haven't already. But let's continue. I'm really excited. I kept getting recommended to go to these falls actually by some locals here. So let's go check it out. Okay, so the first of the 3 waterfalls is this gorgeous one. I don't know the name of it, but I'm sure voiceover Morgan knows. She's always really smart. It's almost like she has the internet at her will or something in like a script. But anyway, it's so breathtaking. And Harrison just got this amazing long exposure shot. I like teared up. It's so good. I'm gonna put that on the screen right now. So right up the way from Triple Falls is High Falls. These falls are 125 feet tall, and obviously they're so insanely gorgeous. You can actually walk to the bottom of the falls, which we didn't feel like doing, so we didn't do it, but you should, because I'm sure it'll make some great photos. There's so much to do in and around Asheville. There's like unlimited waterfalls and mountains and hiking, and being in Asheville for autumn and being able to experience a bit of it was so amazing, and we couldn't have chosen a better place to be. I think we were honestly way too hungry to care anymore at this point, so let's move on and show you some food. All right, so we're done hiking and now it's time to eat. So we come to the best vegan place in all of Asheville. We're at Rosetta's Kitchen, and this is Rosetta. So hello. We got a star in our vlog. So how long has this place been here?
Well, we opened in September of 2002, so we're 18 years in now.
So awesome.
Yeah.
So what kind of stuff do you have here? It's all vegan, vegetarian?
The entire restaurant's vegetarian. We offer a couple of dairy options for people that really want that. Every menu item that we have is made vegan as well. We focus a lot on having transparency of ingredients as well for people that are soy-free, gluten-free, allium-free. They don't eat onions and garlic. So we have kind of custom menus for everybody.
I know one of the biggest reasons that we love this place, you have a pay it forward thing, so no one goes hungry. So what's that all about?
Well, that's our menu for people who don't have money.
Hey.
Like I said, we have a special menu for everyone.
Yeah.
You have a choice of our Everybody Eats plate, and you can get organic beans, rice, and your choice of either chips or coleslaw to go with it. And we fund that program through, one, keeping that dish at a super low price. That's a $3 plate, which, you know, it doesn't make us any money. That's sort of supplemented by everybody ordering the yummies, the avocados and the mushrooms and the local tempeh. So we subsidize it that way, and through donations from the public, so people kind of come in and think that's a great idea and pay it forward. I think we've been doing that program for about 10 years now. For years before, when we were a much smaller little business, at the end of the night we would give away, and everybody, kind of people in town would know and come by, and help take out the trash or sweep the floor, and we would just give everybody whatever was left on the hot bar. Our real philosophy is trying to be as inclusive as possible. Making sure we have something for everyone.
I think you're achieving it.
Yeah, thank you.
So what would you recommend? What are some of your favorite dishes that you've got here?
Our family favorite plate is literally our family favorite. It's one of our best sellers through all the years.
Oh my God, I had that last time. It was so good. I'm probably gonna order it again. So I got the family favorite. So it's mashed potatoes, it's gravy. I think this is collard greens or some sort of greens. And these are peanut butter fried tofu. I've been just like waiting and waiting for this day to film here so I can eat this again, and finally it's here. I highly recommend.
We use local ingredients as much as we can. One of our exciting new local ingredients we've been able to use lately is we finally have been working with a farm that's been able to produce lion's mane mushroom on a consistent basis. We're excited about it because it's a high protein food, it's a nutrient dense food, it's a medicinal food, it's also a yummy food, and it's locally produced. So it gives us an alternative to some of the other more typical proteins, just nuts and soy. We've been trying to build a lot more mushrooms into our menu.
I have to say this right now, this lion's mane mushroom entree that they got is like this is like the best thing I've ever eaten. Like, it's so good. I've never had lion's mane mushrooms before. It's lion's mane mushrooms that are fried. It looks like collard greens are mixed in with it, and there's some like rice on the bottom here and some onion. I wish we lived in Asheville so I could order this like every week. Like, this is so good.
Well, thank you so much, Rosetta. This is awesome. We're so excited to share Rosetta's with everyone here on the vlog. I think you should check it out if you're coming to Asheville. The best vegan place in Asheville, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and like on the video. Definitely share it everywhere. That helps us so much. And if you want to support small creators, consider becoming a patron and get postcards from us every month. But thanks for watching. Bye.